HP Pavilion 15EH1890AU. The HP Pavilion 15A1890AU laptop from HP delivers high-grade graphics and processing power for gaming and multitasking. Thermal cooling for overall performance and stability. Immerse yourself in the game with a narrow bezel display and custom-tuned audio. This system balances work and play so that you can do it all. The HP Pavilion gaming laptop is powered by a 2.1 GHz AMD Ryzen 5500U 6-core processor, which allows you to run multiple applications simultaneously. In addition, HP Pavilion 15A1890AU can overclock the system to 4.0 GHz if you need more power. The 8 GB of 3200 MHz DDR4 RAM helps to ensure smooth multitasking and also allows the computer to access frequently used files and programs quickly. Keyboard full-size, natural silver keyboard with numeric keypad. The 15.6 diagonal FHD IPS display features a full HD 1920x1080 native resolution, WLED backlighting, an anti-glare coating, and a 16:9 aspect ratio. A 720p wide vision HD webcam with an 88 degrees field of view. Dual array digital mics, and B&O Play audio with dual speakers. Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AC, is built in for wireless networking. Bluetooth 5.2 technology will allow you to connect additional compatible peripherals or take advantage of the Gigabit Ethernet port for wired network connectivity. The HP Pavilion laptop includes a 45W AC adapter, and it is a 3-cell, 41 Wh lithium-ion battery that can last for up to 6.25 hours before recharging is required. The installed operating system is Windows 11.